Hi there and welcome to another BlogHandy tutorial on how to add an SEO optimized and beautiful looking blog to your existing website. My name is Uwe, I'm the founder of BlogHandy, and today we're looking at adding a blog to your Krop portfolio page. Let's get right into it. Alright, so I'm on the dashboard of my Krop account and now I want to add a new content page that has our BlogHandy blog. So let's go to content. And let's click on upload images and videos. Even though we clicked on images and videos, we can actually choose other content. So up here in the menu where you normally upload your portfolio images, your videos and other things, you want to click on HTML page. So let's call this my blog, or you could just call it blog if you wanted. Okay, this is the page URL, and here what we want to find in the menu is where we can change to the HTML code bit. So let's look here, and there it is. This is the change mode where we see the HTML coding instead of the actual visual editor. Let's go to BlogHandy, and under code snippet we copy the first bit of the code and we paste it here, and then we go back and we take the second bit of the code, we copy it and we paste it here. And if you want, you can go back to the visual mode, but you won't see anything because there's no preview on Krop. But here we have the code. As you can see, we click on save changes, and then you can obviously add more content, or we just close this. And now we want to view our site. Let's republish it now. It's publishing right now. Perfect. And let's click on view live site. Okay, so here normally on the right hand side you would see your pictures and videos and your portfolio. And here on the left hand side where the menu is, I only added one page, which is my blog. So let's click on it. And there you have it. Our BlogHandy blog is loading in our Krop page. Now one more thing we have to do, we have to take this URL from the URL bar, go to BlogHandy, and we have to go to settings, and we have to paste here in the blog URL field our URL, and we just click on save all changes. Since we're already in the settings, let me show you one more thing. You can click on layout and design, and you can actually change the design of your blog. For example, let's click here to see the journey design. And the beautiful thing with BlogHandy is it automatically takes over most of the design of your existing website. So you don't have to change any fonts and styles, but you can do so if you want. So let me just refresh the page, and there you have it. You have another design loading. Let's go back. I always like the pop grid or the cover design because they're quite visual, especially if you're on a portfolio website. There you have it. You can click on it. Your blog is loading beautifully here. You can share the blog post. You can enable and disable those functions. And if you want to change any CSS coding and you're comfortable with it, just go to the bottom of the page, and here you can add any custom CSS code. If you're not comfortable with that, just reach out to me and my team, and we're happy to adjust your blog to make it fully customized to your wishes free of charge. Happy blogging, and bye bye for now.